Hey, I'm Rob Clark. I'm the head of technical operations here at RB2B. I just want to show you how to find a visitor in HubSpot that RB2B has identified and then push through to HubSpot and how to make use of it. So if we take a look at this user right here, um, she was sent through to HubSpot. I can find her information here. And in her activities, I can see a bunch of the page views that she hit. We can see that she hit the retention.com homepage. She also went to retention.com versus OpenSend, which is a competitor analysis page. If we take a look at her properties, so I'm going to view all properties. I go to scroll down to RB2B. I can see her LinkedIn URL, the day that she was captured, the URL that she was captured on, if she was on a hot page, the last date of her activity, which was today. But if she were to come back tomorrow, that would be updated with tomorrow's date, her referring URL. If RB2B was the source of her profile, in this case, we were. She wasn't in our CRM before that, so we have identified ourselves as the source. If somebody's already in your CRM, we're not going to update that. And any UTM information like UTM campaign or source, if those had been present at the time of identification, we would have passed those through as well. So I'll show you really quickly how to make use of her profile and kind of create a workflow. Let's say we want to create a workflow when our B2B identifies somebody. Um, we can do it contact based. I'm just going to create a blank template here. And then we're going to add a trigger. When filter criteria is met. And then I'm just going to search RB2B for CRM. This is that page view activity thing we saw on the previous page. And then we can look at last occurred is more than 1 day ago. So this will put her into a workflow if our B2B identified her on the website yesterday. So she would go into a workflow today based on whatever criteria you want to do afterwards. So if I just hit save, I can add some other branches like check to see what page she hit. If she hit the pricing page, send her down a certain workflow there. If she hit product A, send her down that workflow. We do have all kinds of example workflows up in our support documentation. There's workflows on uh, how to identify people that have um, are repeat visitors based on time between visits. So somebody comes to your site 1 day, you want to put them into a workflow if they came back sometime within the next 7 days. Um, Identifying repeat visitors based on contact creation date, routing based on the page that they saw, uh, running workflows at only a certain time of day. So maybe you're sending notifications to your sales team and you only want to send them notifications every weekday morning instead of every time somebody's identified. There's details on that. Um, there's also details on workflows for setting up notifications for your account owners. So you can notify, again, your account owner if somebody from that company has been on the site. You can, there's details about sending a Slack message, sending an email, you name it. It's all up on our support documentation. I hope that helps.